Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am finally back with another video. Still a little bit under the weather, but I had to make it happen for y'all. Happy New Year! This is the first nail haul of 2024, so let's get into it. So welcome to the first video of 2024. Wow, we are in 2024. And this first set right here, I know some of y'all ain't gonna agree with. And I know some of y'all saw the picture that I posted on my community tab of these nails. I did apply this set and I loved it. It is a duck feet nail set, which I have never worn before. But we're gonna save the details on these nails for that video. But yes, this set is absolutely everything and it's a little different, but I mean, it's 2024, we're trying some new stuff. So this is another set that I got. It's really cute, very simple. It has a sweater print on half of the nail and then the other half is a white French tip, which I thought was real cute. These are a medium square shape. I'm gonna start doing more, shorter nails. I got a couple requests, so we're gonna get into some shorter sets this year as well. And this set right here is just fire. I love all the prints on these nails. The nails are really sturdy. They are long coffin shape. They fit real good over my natural nails, like a good snug. I know when I get ready to apply them, these are gonna fit like white on rice. So I love that. I love how it has that cheetah print with the orange, and then we got the zebra print with the black and white, and then we also have a brown and black zebra print. So yes, this set is very cute and exotic, definitely fits my personality. And since we are trying new things in 2024, I went ahead and got a second set of duck nails. And the color is what drew me to these. I love the neon green with the nude. I'm starting to see a lot of duck nails now on Shein and Temu. So don't be surprised if I give me a couple more. Like, y'all, I know some of y'all don't agree with this shape, but I'm kind of digging it. And I never thought that I would be obsessing over duck nails. They're really not that bad once you try them out. 2024 is definitely calling me to step outside of my comfort zone. So that's what we doing. Now this last set right here, when I saw them, they were so beautiful, but the pictures do not do them justice at all. They look way better in person. Like, this set is so pretty. Like, look at these nails, look at the details, look at the 3D flowers, the butterfly charm in the center. It's the length for me, it's the long square shape for me. Like, look at this nail. When I tell y'all Shein is stepping their press-on nail game up, they are stepping their game up. So it only comes with 2 nails that have this butterfly flower design on them, and it fits on my middle finger, which is perfect because this nail is definitely going to be the center of attention. So it's only right that it fits right in the center on my middle finger. I cannot wait to apply this set. This might be the set that I apply for my birthday. January is my birthday month. My birthday is January 23rd. I will be 38 years old, and this set is just perfect for a special occasion. So this might be my birthday set, y'all. I was actually thinking about creating my own set for my birthday because I am an Aquarius. So I was thinking about doing some Aquarius nails, but This set right here is just giving main character energy. So that's me all day long. So I don't know yet, but we'll see when we get there. And this is the end of my haul. This was like a mini haul. I didn't really go too crazy. I just saw a few nails that I really wanted to get, and I got them on the spot. So this is the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it. And if you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping and you don't miss anything. Stay tuned for the next video where I apply those duck nails, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.